What it do, me and Morgan? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and we are back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause how y'all gonna see me? For today's video, I will be doing my nails. I will not be talking. This will just be a relaxing video. I do have a video up on my channel already showing how I do my press-ons, and I will have it linked. You guys can go check it out. If this is something that you're interested in, please stay tuned and keep on watching.